Hey there, welcome back. My name is Katie if you're new to my channel, and this is Louisiana Cooking and Living. And today I thought I'd take you along on my Azure pickup. Azure Standard is a company that is online ordering for like organic options, things that you might not be able to find in the grocery store, like with my wheat berries for my grain mill, those kind of things. They have livestock supplies like chicken feed and things like that. They have some household goods that are better ingredients for you. Anyway, it's a whole gamut of things that you can order online from Azure Standard, and there is a pickup. They deliver, they're from like up in the Northwest. I don't know if it's Washington State or Oregon State. They load it up in the 18-wheelers. They haul it across the country. You have a pickup time. Everybody meets at the Azure pickup in your area and helps unload everything. And I'll just insert a little video real quick of that experience today.
So this was our Azure pickup. The 18-wheeler comes, and I've never seen more than one pallet, and actually we don't even unload everything off of this one pallet. So the driver will unload this one pallet for us, and all the people that have ordered do help unload the pallet. There are names on all the boxes and all the items that are ordered, and we just separate it into piles. It doesn't take long, maybe 7-10 minutes, depending on how many people are there and how much stuff is ordered. Our drop coordinator is very organized. She has little signs out for everybody with their names so that everything can be placed and organized in a very quick manner. And it doesn't take long, as you can see, just to unload all this and take all your goodies home. There is a refrigerated section of the truck where your frozen items are kept and stored for transport. And this week and last month, both times, the driver did announce that they did have bulk cherries that were on sale for $20 a case of them. I'm not sure how many pounds were in the case. So sometimes that will happen at your drop, where things will be like damaged boxes will be on sale, or if they have an overabundance of an item that might be on sale. So this time it was cherries that he was offering for a discounted price, and everybody works together and gets everything unloaded pretty quickly, and we make it home in no time.
And so I just want to share with you what I got and some of the things that you can get from Azure Standard. I don't order a lot of things. A lot of people, like some lady there today, she had like a whole trunk full of stuff that she ordered. There's a whole bunch of things you can order there. And I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I got and tell you about my plans for each item. So this is 5 pounds of frozen organic strawberries, and all boxed up here. And my goal with this is to make some strawberry preserves. We're out of that, and my son's been asking for strawberry preserves, so that's my goal for this. So they package everything, try to do it in boxes. They recycle these boxes and pack everything and try to get everybody's stuff in one box. Something I've been wanting to try is this einkorn pasta. So I have a box of this. We'll give this a try. And I have a bag of organic yellow corn here. I was trying to find a way to have a better option for popcorn for work. So this is my goal with this one, is to make some fresh popcorn. The next few items I have here is wanting to try making Ezekiel bread. I had seen Ezekiel bread in the store in the refrigerator or freezer section numerous times, but never really looked into it. And so I will get more into that whenever I actually make that for you guys. If you can see my grain mill back here, my goal is to mill all of the items, ingredients for that bread, and share that with you. I didn't realize it actually comes from a scripture in the book of Ezekiel. So we will go over all that when it's time. And the items I needed on top of what I already have is some whole barley, some barley grain, some millet. The lady I follow that talks about the grain mill and milling your own wheat and everything, I was listening to one of her podcasts, and I can leave her link below. That's Sue Becker. She was talking about people think of millets, they think of bird seed, but it is very nutritious for people. So we have millet. And these bags I'm sharing with a couple of friends because we wanted to give it a try before we buy a bigger quantity. Oh wait, this is the popcorn. Sorry, this is the multicolored popcorn. I'm not sure what the corn itself was for. This is the popcorn. Maybe it's because I've been grinding, it's the same corn I bought to grind my own grits and cornmeal for cornbread. That may have been one. Those grits are the best grits I've ever eaten. Lentils, green lentils. This was the next item for the Ezekiel bread. I already have spelt berries and wheat berries, and I'm not sure quite what else. It may be like some kind of bean, I think. But lentils is also for the Ezekiel bread. And then we like Rice Krispie treats, brown butter Rice Krispie treats. I'll leave that video linked above if you have not tried those yet. Those are amazing. And so I decided to get these Rice Krispies that are organic from Azure and try some Rice Krispie treats that are a little healthier. And then something we've been drinking is some electrolyte powder that is made by the Redmond Real Salt. That's the salt I use. Redmond Real Salt is mined in Utah, and it is full of all the vitamins and minerals that you expect from like a Himalayan pink salt. But Himalayan pink salt does have traces of mercury in it. So not only do we not want the mercury, we wanted to go ahead and use salt that's mined here in America. And they have a electrolyte powder that we have been drinking, and we really love the flavor of it. It is amazing. It's crazy how good it actually tastes without the sugar. And so these were on sale. I usually buy these at Amazon, and I can leave a link in the description box about Amazon, but these were on sale for almost $10 off from the Amazon price. So I went on and bought 3 of them. I got the watermelon lime, so good. I drink this, like, especially if we're having like Mexican food. And then the lemon lime and strawberry lemonade. Now, they did not have the pina colada in this bulk size. I actually do have one that we keep right here on my counter, the pina colada that I ordered by Amazon. That's absolutely my favorite. That is so good. But that's my Azure haul today. So if you're interested in Azure Standard, I will leave a link in the description box. You can check out their website. When you get an order, it does come with the sales flyer for the next month. It is once a month. And so you do get the sales flyer. You can look through and order things that are going to be on sale. And everything, all their produce is fresh in season. Last month, if you, well, there's a video that should come out right before this one. I'm not quite sure the order. I did can some cherry pie filling with you guys, and those are cherries I actually got from the Azure pickup. So if you're interested in any of this stuff, I can leave some links over here, or some videos over here, where you can check out some other Azure hauls and see the different items that I have purchased throughout the year. I've been doing this for about a year, so you can see some different hauls and see what different things I have picked up. And I'll put my logo on this side if you want to follow along and see how I use these products and see how we make that Ezekiel bread in the future. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.